NADCA invites you to become part of the only association solely dedicated to promoting the HVAC inspection, cleaning, and restoration industry. More than 1,300 member companies currently benefit from NADCA's exclusive member discounts, training, networking, and marketing tools. Find out all that NADCA has to offer. NADCA's Find a Professional directory is promoted worldwide and generates business for member companies through website referrals and listings. Over 120,000 customers visit the directory each year. Don't be left off this exclusive list. The increased specification of NADCA membership and certification gives those with the ASCS, Air Systems Cleaning Specialist, and CVI, Certified Ventilation Inspector certifications, a competitive advantage over those without it. As a member, you receive deep discounts on both certification exams and training courses. Following ACR, the NADCA standard shows consumers your commitment to source removal and professional cleaning practices. Membership in NADCA affords you deep discounts to NADCA's two signature events, the annual meeting and the fall technical conference. Both present the perfect opportunity for air duct cleaning professionals to learn about the newest industry trends and technologies. NADCA's many networking opportunities allow you to exchange fresh ideas, advance your career, grow your business, and get support from other members from across the U.S. and more than 30 countries. Developing personnel remains one of the best investments you can make in your business. NADCA offers discounts on training and educational programs available online and in person at the annual meeting and fall technical conference. NADCA will even bring the training to your location with a customized training package. Subscriptions to NADCA's DuckTales magazine and Air Conveyance e-newsletter help members stay in the know about what's trending in the industry. Join today and let NADCA provide you and your company with the tools for success.